So how do you turn it on? Oh, the on button? Okay. Don't make bells like this. This is how not to make bells.
Is that the name of this? God damn it.
So this one wasn't too happy to being spun because we hammered this one out last time.
Yeah. Wow. Did you make this?
Yeah, my beautiful welding skills. Expertly done. That's probably ready to get spun down on the manual.
Sweet.
What do you think of here?
Burn with?
Yeah, it's in the truck. It's gonna be so cold. John? Yeah, so this is the old pattern. The reason I was so cavalier about just messing around with these is because it's tight in this area. So, with my new pattern, it doesn't stick here. So, we should be able to spin it down. You want it to be closer, but we'll deal with it.
Wow.
That
Wow.
makes it pretty smooth as long as the pattern's right. Pattern's not that tight back here, but from here on, that smooths it out before we draw it, just to make it a bit easier on the drawbridge. Cool.
Falling man.
Don't fall over, John. No, let's cool it down. Oh, just in case. Safety first. That's workable. What we just did was like stretching the flare from all the way back here. You don't want to do because it gets some weird thin spots, but it feels pretty thick. So we'll anneal it and then we'll spin it down to the mandrel actually. Before what we just did, we should have it like here. But gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, how's it looking? Any cracks? It's like it always looks like a real bell instead of this weird ass thing.
Let's just mount it on Trumpet right now.
Yeah,
Let's just go.
I was telling John I want to just take one, raise it, don't even roll the seam and throw it on a trumpet. See what it's like. Should be good.
Do it. Push him, Jason. Was it hot?
It's pretty hot. Why are you filming me?
Huh?
Ready? Wow, that did not stretch at all. I think it's an 025 bell, not 020. I'm gonna be in half by now.
Oh.
This is going shockingly well. I'm gonna be honest.
You just jumped it.
I did not expect it to go as well.
Don't say it.
It's gonna just crack in
Don't
half.
say it.
Oh, it's gonna. Oh, wait. Oh. The seam broke, but we can fix that. It's gonna be super thin. We'll get a bell out of it. See if you can see the light through it. Okay, so we'll give this a quick file and hammer it a bit, and then we'll try again. Colin, you can't put any of this on YouTube. Because first, he doesn't want to be known. And second, we both know. Wait, you worked at. You know. I think he's gonna stop saying, "Oh, I got one of those," isn't he? Wow, look how like out of round that is. I'm gonna pull it off and just trim it with shears. It's pretty decent. So now I gotta anneal the rim and then we'll fold it over. Okay, bye, Colin.
What do you want to say to Vinny?
I love you, Vinny. So that's not pretty, but we can make that pretty. See?
Just a little spot.
Not shiny right there. So we're gonna kneel it, and then we're gonna press it in again, get it actually straight, and then we'll throw a bead in there. I was telling Jason, so this is a little thicker on the seam right now, because that's where that tooth is that holds the seam together when brazing, and usually you cut that off, but because we stretched the pattern so much to get it to lay down, it's
There it goes. We're gone. We're done.
man. Honestly, it's not looking too bad.
It's not. It's looking great. We're gonna send you goodbye.
This is how they do it in factories. They you have the tailstock to get the bell.
Hey.
Just enough. Oh, wow.
Nice apron.
Thanks.
How does it go on the back? Okay, I can work with that. So where do we buy these aprons at?
I make them out of my home shop.
You mean your apartment?
My home shop. That's my home.
Upstairs.
My upstairs.
Yeah.
On the top floor.
It's also the second floor. Little hot tip here. When you don't, so sometimes it's hit and miss how much material you actually pull over that's flatted out here, is what I say. So if you don't pull out enough, you can leave space between the two ends of the wire, and then as the belt curls over, the wire will cinch up. But that's kind of a finesse thing, and I don't like doing it because it's really easy to mess up. So I like making sure I pull out way too much so I can skive it back. Fucker. Sorry. See how shitty it looks? Oh, little poke.
That looks awesome.
No.
I'm gonna get my phone.
So Greg,
Yes.
you sound a lot like Owen Wilson. Has anyone ever told you this before? No. See how sharp this scraper really is. So that's a bell. We can solder the bead.
Got some weird lines to it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, from
molded.
the scraper.
Chunky.
Yeah. If you had a belt sander, I would just
Turn it into a bell sander.
look at that. Look how smooth that is.
That's pretty.
No filing necessary.
What's that?
That's zero sugar.
Oh wow. Here's one. Here's another one.
Waiting
It's
thing.
the jackpot.
No, I'm Miles O'Malley, professional horn maker. That's spelled like enough.
What are you calling it?
Done.
You don't say you're done, you
That-
say you're finished. If you say you're done, you're a baker.
Camera doesn't want to stay focused for shit.
No, you should see his other iPad.
Other iPad?
Well, I have the same exact iPad, but it's fucked. You know what I'm talking about?
So this was...
So you're a fan of Quick Trip then?
I like their baked goods.
Oh my god,
And to get them consistent, you can measure that diameter and make it the same diameter on every single one before you roll it over. That's the hillbilly way to do it. The way to do this properly is with a tool that there's going to be a picture right there.
Why up there? What the fuck?
You get it?
Yeah.
No, Colin, higher.
Wait. Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, okay.
So it's called this is called veiling. You put that tool in the tailstock and you anneal the tip of the tube and you just push that tool up to it and it rounds it around for you consistently and evenly
While it's spinning?
while it's spinning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you holding it like that?
What's wrong with this?
Looks like you're brandishing a weapon.